Hello friends, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use name drop on iOS 17. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. You can make sure that you have updated with latest version. You can check both devices. You can just simply tap on settings and here you can tap on general option. Now you can appear on the screen about section and here you can see iOS 17 is up to date. And now you can see on other devices, tap on general about and you can see that you have updated with iOS 17 version. So go back and just simply tap on settings. Here you can search airdrop, tap on it and you can appear on the screen everyone for this. Select this, go back. You can do this on both devices and you can do this. Now you can see that both devices is connected with each other. So you can tap on receive file and on this device you can tap on share. Tap on done and now you can use name drop on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.